Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some vegetable stock. Start with 2 bay leaves here. Also, I usually, when I peel vegetables, I'll keep them in the freezer for when I'm making this veg stock. On this day I was also making vegetable stock cubes, so I have fresh peels. You just want to keep all your peels on your ends that you chop off to make this veg stock. Here I'm adding some water. I think I used 3 litres of water. Adding a couple of leeks to it. I also left a quarter of an onion in this. Here I'm adding spices. I had a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of oregano. You also add about a teaspoon of tomato puree to this. Give it a mix. Next you want to get it on to a hob. You want to bring it to a boil. Then you want to turn your heat down to the lowest setting and simmer this for about 3 hours. Once it's simmered, you just want to strain it, and you can store it in your freezer for up to 3 months.